Aboroki wa University ya Kisii ritkolero batwara ikaroso musangirikano amo na borokia ase ogosanga igoro yemechando awane no gunchurira kwerire egatia yanda manke ayo batebire akoleta oburemeru bwa magendro nigo batebire na aso kubwatirana nigo baochia koria chinchira chokugayana emechande yo elio gokonya ase barabo kwegendereria anene chinga kibare ase eskuru muriketo diponasanya na manke.
University ya Kisii nigo yatwara omurobelio public lecture asokwena na maigerio yokurinda ebintu bitwetana inegati yaboroki wa mona borokia eliogwe semia ase oboagare.
Today we were having a talk on sustainability and looking at how we can bring sustainability to the classroom, a very important concept that we want to impart in our learners because we want them to know that which they do today, the decisions that they make today will have an impact on their tomorrow.
Wacha ase okwegera iguru ya okurenda na amazingira kurenda amangana atwetanaine ase uchumi na ase bilionsi bitokonyaka abantu gukora.
Kuhusu maudhui ya leo tunazungumzia uhifadhi na zaidi jinsi ambavyo tunaweza tukahifadhi nyenzo ambazo zitasaidia sana hao wanafunzi wa leo ama hata sisi ambao ni wa leo tupate kusaidika kesho.
Gangenene yokwena na maigeria ya no koenekianga ama tukagocha abantu bonsi imbatwa robosemia bwokomenya na kwegendereria.
Totale ndeti birito bwate birinya sato ire asobo gimagwaito ebe na mazingira ebe na masomo ebe no gimagwaito ebe ne chimesa cheito gotorigireti mo gimagwabo sio ntochikonyara kwato konyara obokongo.
Ni nyenzo za uhusiano, kuna nyenzo za kuhifadhi mazingira, kuna nyenzo za hata kuhifadhi masuala ya kiuchumi. Kwa hivyo wale wote ambao wamehudhuria mfaidika sana. Tumejifunza kwamba uhifadhi huu unastahili kuchukuliwa na kila mmoja wetu.
Omurobelio yegagokora na Dr. Gisore ni ganyara koerera gati yemechanda nene yue koreato buremeru asokobekomokia na koerenda.
Problem is that we really don't have that knowledge of sustainability and we don't even see how it comes in. So convincing people to let them get to think about it so that they can incorporate it becomes an issue. But the more we talk about it, the more it becomes a reality.
With the task of ensuring that the students are equipped with the knowledge, the skills, the attitudes and the values that they need to have to foster sustainability.
Voigo nigo banyara gosegeta obuye bwogonchurira chimbwa cheito elio kwegendereria.
Nande twegeri bunga goikato chenje biranga libyeto ne chimbwa cheito eligo ikera egangenene yokurenda birinya sa anyare kwa bakagotwa.
We wanted to enable our listeners and learners to be people who can think creatively so that they can make sustainable decisions, they can come up with sustainable practices.
Wasioku bokweurwa maiso ngati yokumanya ekerengete mwanyabanto aso wekinia chinsemo chionse.
It has been an eye opener so that now we embark on filling the gap in as far as education for sustainable development is concerned.
The issue of sustainability is an emerging issue, but it is one of the issues that are tackled when you look at the SDGs, that is the Sustainable Development Goals.
I understand that public lectures is part and parcel of the role that universities are supposed to play.
Gunko ripoteria egetaseni Kiandizi TV kuruase University ya Kisii yuko toke meje county ya Kisii elitalia Nedipon asanya.
Mbia mwana umurikeito dipon asanya ase oroboti ururika